So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Well, in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can add the shortcuts in Google Chrome browser of your PC. The shortcuts help you very efficiently in searching the site which you use frequently. You can search a site as that shortcut has been available in your home screen of your browser, so it would be convenient to access that site that you have been using frequently. So all you have to do in order to add the shortcut, just open the Chrome browser. When you open the browser, at the home page you see an option of add shortcut just right there. You can see when you click on this option of add shortcut, just simply click on this option and a shortcut window will open right in front of you, where you have to name the first you have to name the shortcut that you want to create. Like if I want to create a shortcut of YouTube, then you have to paste the URL of the site that you want to create a shortcut. So if I want to add the shortcut of YouTube, I'll try type here www.youtube.com. Now when I click done, now currently it is saying the shortcut has been already exists because I have currently have a shortcut of YouTube. You can add any site URL over there, or you can find the URL on the search bar on the top bar of any site. Just simply copy and paste that URL and name as per your convenience and click done. Then a shortcut will create a right in front of you, which is used to access that site very conveniently just by clicking once in your Chrome browser homepage. So by this method you can add the shortcuts very conveniently in Google Chrome browser in your PC. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.